What if growing your revenue was as easy as pressing a button? With Stora price increases, it is. You can automate revenue growth effortlessly. Just set your rules, schedule the increases, and let Stora do the rest. No more manual calculations, no more tedious notifications, just simple streamlined revenue growth. Here's how it works. When you visit the price increases section, you'll notice this number in the top left. This is your potential new revenue. This shows how much you would earn based on some preset rules. As a starting point, we show you what this would be if you were to increase prices by 10% on customers who've been with you for over 6 months. But of course, you can change this to suit your own needs and policies. Based on this, Stora will automatically find and show you the subscriptions that suit these presets. When you're ready, just hit increase price, and all the details are pre-filled for you. You can override these as well, of course. Once you're happy with everything, just hit schedule price increase, and you're done. From here, Stora takes over. Customers are notified automatically. The price increase is applied and charged on your chosen date, and you can track all of the upcoming revenue in your dashboard. You'll see how much you're set to earn before the increase happens and how much you've actually earned once they're applied. If you want to plan ahead, you can even schedule future price increases for new subscriptions, setting you up for long-term growth. Price increases is available for everyone on our Pro plan today. And if you're not on Pro yet, we have a trial going. You can activate yours today and start growing your revenue automatically. Thanks.